I didn't actually think they would ever message me back when I asked if I could do some review work for LCT. They don't work with many people in the US, I thought, so why would they ever agree to anything I say? Well, I guess I can eat my own words now because this box just showed up today from LCT themselves. And before I actually open it, I want to say something. Thank you LCT. So cutting open the box now and folding open the cardboard tops, you can see now why I'm so overjoyed. This is the LC3, aka the LCT G3s box. We've been wanting a new high-end G3 for a long while now to beat out all the other models out there. And ladies and gentlemen, LCT delivered. Maybe a new PSG-1 should come next. Huh? LCT, come on. I want this box opened already, so let's get this neatly wrapped manual and catalog out of here, and this has got to go too. And there it is. Oh, it's so pretty. I know LCT is known for their amazing exteriors, but you know when you just see a gun and you instantly know that it's a solid piece? Well, this is one of those times. Everything but the handguard, pistol grip, and stock is made from steel, and not some thin steel either. This body is thick. Really thick. Nothing wobbles, nothing creaks, and nothing feels cheap. And nothing better feel cheap for the price that you pay. But you know what? This feels like a high-end rifle, so that price is pretty justified. I'm not trying to oversell this piece, but I know why so many people have recommended that I get one of these now. Oh, and thanks for the black metal flash hider to replace the plastic M4 birdcage that this rifle shipped with to the US. The high cap is also going to be very useful for when I make any future gameplays with this rifle, but I'll need to get myself a few mid caps for sure. If you've ever picked up a real G3, then you'll know how this rifle feels like immediately. I don't have a scale available to me, but this rifle feels around 12 to 13 pounds. So I guess if you need a small boat anchor, then you could, check this out as well. I'm going to have a lot more to say about this rifle when the review comes along, but please be sure to go and show LCT some love by giving them a like on their Facebook or a follow on their Instagram. You could also, give me a follow on Instagram to get me closer to 10,000. But what are your thoughts about this rifle so far? Do you like it or do you love it? Just let me know in the comments down below. So far I'm addicted to LCTs with just this one piece alone. So thank you LCT for everything you're doing, thank you for the high cap so I can make a gameplay video with this LC3, and thank you to these past commenters for all the encouragement. Oh, and if you're a part of the notification squad, then thumbs up to you guys. But until the next video drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Holmbeck, and I'll be sure to see you all next time.